Good morning, Honolulu, and what a beautiful morning it is. We're making our flight momentarily, but we're just making our way over to the runway pretty soon. Stay strapped in your seats and look forward to a beautiful flight.
Hi everyone, welcome to the flight.
We have liftoff. We hope you're comfortable. No.
Welcome aboard Koi Airlines Flight 185.
Flight shall be smooth. We hope you're all very comfortable.
Here's hoping that the flight is
Clear
smooth.
skies abound.
Because I don't know what we'll do if the flight isn't smooth. Might just actually die.
You and I, we were in the flight academy together 5 years, so you're in safe hands, everybody.
5 or 6 years, something like that.
Yeah.
I remember you failed twice, and that's why you're the co-pilot. I only failed once. So yeah, this is the airplane stream. It's mostly going to be kind of podcasty, but as you can tell by the little whiteboard right here, because this is a charity stream, every $10 we are going to shift dimensions, and every $5 you'll be able to meet a new customer that is on the plane currently. I don't want to spoil too much.
Yes, you see, this plane is powered entirely by money, and if you don't donate enough, we will not make it.
Don't ooh-woo in my chat. On this plane, I mean on my plane. Don't ooh-woo on my plane.
Ooh, levels are reaching critical.
Ooh,
Please take care.
levels critical. Another uwu. Awesome. Thanks for the uwu. Oh, hi Dreamer. Well, you know what, Dreamer, you're actually on this plane.
She is.
Everyone's here.
Correction, Grubby, you are being held hostage. However, all proceeds from the ransom will go to charity. Thank you very much.
What a kindly hostage situation. It's not a hostage situation. Don't call it a hostage situation. Not a hostage situation. It's friendly. We're friends. By force, but friends. Chaotic good energy. Donate to charity or else. The Marvel Cat. Oh, Wampus. A $5 donation to direct
Well, for Christ's sake, if I don't fund
so
my own plane, you will never get off the ground, yeah.
Oh my god, you're right. So
Yeah,
let's go and take a look at who's on our plane. Is that Jake the dog from Adventure Time?
Celebrity appearance Jake the dog is on the plane, ladies and gentlemen.
Holy shit! John DiMaggio, the land of ooh. Can I change my seat to sit with Jake? No. Sorry.
Do not get up in the middle of the plane. Do not walk up and down the aisles. You might fall. You might fall out the windows.
Dreamer just threw her Sprite at you.
Please refrain
No.
from Sprite-related hijinks on the aeroplane. Thank you.
Dr. Pepper-related hijinks. That's fine.
Jake the dog is currently escaping. Is currently trying to avoid prosecution for drug smuggling. Well, that's not our problem. He bought the ticket. Yeah.
Yeah,
can let
it's not my problem. Not my problem at all. You haven't been offered drinks yet. Well, I moved you to sit with Jake, so
There we go.
isn't that better? I have a different one.
Your laugh is so evil.
Oh my god.
Like, genuinely
Just
evil.
look at it. Look at it. Oh my god.
Sigma Thistle. And we have two of the best pilots. We have two of the pilots.
We have two of the pilots ever.
You have, yes, yeah.
That's about all you can say,
yeah.
really.
What are two
Sadly,
does,
Wampus
I think
died, but he never would have lived to be the pilot he is today without that experience.
Well, you know,
He died, but in the
you
process.
gotta go to hell and back, you know.
And that
and quite
Wampus,
literally. Yeah.
that Wampus grew up to be Osama bin Laden. So Wampus, what did you do to help this plane take off today?
Well, you know, I made sure the tires were full of air.
Yeah.
And the wings were nice and polished, and
Yeah.
fiddled with some of the control sticks. I don't know what any of them fucking do, but the lights flashed red and they made a bing noise. And apart from that, and then, you know, I did a bit of spit and shine on the window screen. And yeah, you know, I christened it with a bottle of champagne, and we were off. You know, it's good stuff. You know.
What plane model is it? Guess you're the wrong guy. I'm just a pilot.
Well, no,
it's a plane.
It's a Boeing 420. And
it's a Boeing 69. It's the plane ever.
The plane ever.
This is the plane ever.
We've already done that joke. We're the pilots ever.
And we're gonna do it 5 more times before this stream is over. Hey, those handles at the front look like you can roll down the window. Can we get some airflow in here? No, sorry. The plane.
Ladies and gentlemen,
holy shit.
feel free to roll down your window. They do open.
Ladies and gentlemen, feel free. Now that we have pressurized the cabin, feel free to discharge a firearm in my plane and kill everyone on board. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Yoshis here.
Why did you have so many?
13 Yoshis here, and then I have one on my desk at work. Dude, holy shit. Oh, fuck. I gotta kill this. Hold on. This is just water. Twitch, I promise. Oh, dude. Oh. Holy shit. That is that is so much. I worked on the plane stream alone for like 8 hours straight the other day. Clapping emoji. Thank you. I appreciate it.
2018, you know, budding young pilots. We wanted to fly and see the world, you know, and you know, we met each other because we were sharing a bunk in the place where the bunks are, and he looked at me and said, "Wampus, one day I'm gonna use this power of flight for good." And I said, "What the fuck are you talking about?" But here we are, and he kept that promise, you know. And even though he has cost the U.S. federal government billions in destroyed military equipment and such, although we won't talk about that. That's a story for another time. He has made $5 so far for charity. So, well, give it up for the man. You know, he's done. It's, you know, he's redeemed himself.
Stand strong. We gotta stand strong together, man. And
we have.
On a total side note, you said billions of dollars, and I lost it. My weakness whenever it comes to comedy is just exorbitantly large numbers, or like an extremely out of pocket like response for things. Like, do you remember the whole doors versus wheels thing that was going on a while back?
No, I cannot remember that at all, and
really?
Frankly, it sounds kind of lame. But go on, explain it anyway.
No, it is totally lame. The general gist, it's the same as like the dress from 2013, where it's like, are there more doors in the world, or are there more wheels? And there's this video that's the correct answer is obviously wheels. It has to be wheels. There are so many wheels on everything all the time ever. But I saw this video that made me fucking lose it while I was at work one day. This guy's like, yeah, the wheels guys had it for a little bit, but I just got done making 3 trillion doors. So, and I just think that exorbitantly large numbers are so comedic for no good reason. It's just so good. Hawaii right below Texas. Just, yeah, no, exactly. It's all right there, and so is Alaska. It's always been that way. I promise. I'm a pilot. Like I do this
Ladies
all
and
the
gentlemen,
time.
if you look below, you can see Alaska just off the coast of Hawaii and Texas, where they like to wear 10-gallon hats in the snow. Thank you very much.
These movies, they're not important. They're not important to us. Some useful skills.
Of course,
Oh,
just like
dude.
international waters, there's international air where the law doesn't apply. So, for the next 2 hours, you have no human rights.
We're not under international water. We're over American water, right?
I mean, America's pretty lawless anyway, isn't it? I mean, Wild West. Oh,
I
guess,
mean,
never mind.
I
Yeah,
mean, yeah, but
like unbelievably uncomfortable. No one uses the online chat in Splatoon anyway. It's
thank you, Dreamer, for your $2.50 donation. I appreciate it very much. I'm not turning the stream into an NFT. I'm not turning Dreamer's thing into an NFT.
just have to clarify. You can't even do it ironically without being like, I need to clarify. I'm sorry,
I'm not gonna do that. Well, we can go and meet a new friend. And as we're changing to the Minecraft overworld, our two people are actually Pyra and Rex from Xenoblade Chronicles 2. They are here. The rest of the crew couldn't make it. They actually just fucking died. I still haven't beaten Xenoblade 2 yet. I hear that they are. Yeah, the plane is supposed to be moving sideways. I promise. No,
Ladies and gentlemen,
we're not
experiencing
moving
advanced
backward.
maneuvers at the moment. Do not question the momentum or direction of the plane.
Look.
Also,
look,
anime
hey,
titties
look here,
have been
look here,
confirmed on the
look.
plane. Thank you.
We're the pilots here, okay? It's don't look in the background too hard. We're the pilots here. We're not going sideways. We're going to the right. Just so you know. Just so you know. They don't teach you the flying sideways technique. but we learned. We've been learning that.
I just want to acknowledge Streamer made like a Eurobeat drift goddamn meme in the reference.
Oh yeah. Deja vu. I just been in space before.
Damn, multi-track drifting.
Dude, that's the only reason that I would even remotely think about learning how to drive a manual is so that I could like handbrake drift. And here's the thing, it would be one of those talents that I would like teach myself and not tell anyone about. And then I'm just like driving with my friend or something, and we're like in a parking lot, and I just fucking pop the clutch, handbrake, and drift, and I just look at him, just like the entire time. And then I'll like stop, and I'm sure the response would be like, "How the fuck do you know how to do that?" And I'd be like, "I just tried it out," and then I would just drive away. I think that would be hilarious. I think that would be a great bit.
It's my time to go, calling you.
Don't look in the background during this shot. Please don't look in the background. Please don't look at this. Please
It's
don't
fine. We're charity muggers, otherwise known as chuggers.
Chug, yeah, you can call me Chugga. As in Chugga Conroy. I love that guy. So we're actually gonna go meet another person on our flight here. Because I feel like I scamozzed a little bit. Naked Germa. He brought his computer on the plane. Not sure what he's doing here.
Naked Germers on the plane. We have a real celebrity.
Naked Germa is here.
Get your
He's
autographs while you
here.
can. He's here.
Oh, he's here.
You can, for a limited time only, you can print autographed.
Here, this shot looks perfect. This shot looks fine. You can't
We're actually
argue
traveling
with
through
you can't
Democrat
argue
right
with the
now.
Windows. Yeah, you can't argue with the window seat. The window seat is perfectly fine. You want me to turn around? Huh? You want to go back to Honolulu? Huh? Huh? What about
No,
you,
dear
chat?
God, I don't want to go back to Honolulu. What happens in Honolulu stays in Honolulu.
Chat, we going back to Hawaii or what? Why is Germany?
Attention all
yelling at
customers,
chat?
nothing happened in Honolulu and we will not be going back there. Thank you.
Yeah, like the last thing that I retweeted besides the airplane stream is something from @hotleather, and it just says, "I cheat on my wife because I hate her and she has bullshit pussy." Guys, if we raise $1 more billion, I will get Jared Leto to die. He just instantly dies. No more Morbius.
I had like a little stylus with like a boo on the top. It was purple.
Oh, shut the
Like,
fuck
it was
up.
way
Hold
too
on.
chunky though.
Where is it? Oh shit, where is it? Hold on. Shut up.
Okay. Hollow Knight is good, but more than that, it's great value for money. In fact, I wonder.
So
That's
I got
true about Hollow
this.
Knight.
I
Oh,
got
wait, what's
this.
that like? I thought that was like a golden Wii remote. Then what is that?
It is a stylus that I got whenever I was 8. Whenever
Oh, wow.
Phantom Hourglass came out for the
Oh,
DS.
shoot.
And it is this, it's probably going to be a little hard to see, but it's this acrylic quill stylus that came with Phantom Hourglass. I've had
That
this
is
since I was 8. It is so hype.
Cheese tree? Left side? What's on the right side? Should I explore the right side? Let's see. Oh, there's that thing. It's over there. There's more of that. Left first. Okay, okay. Good. I'm grateful I have smart people to help me out. Ah!
Ladies and
Comedy.
gentlemen, if you look below, you can see Dreamer Seeker playing Hollow Knight. We're just passing through
Oh, was
Hollow
the
Nest at the
beep
moment.
loud?
Yeah. There is a
I'm in
Norwegian
the bathroom
building
rigging the
bomb
Wii U
in the
gamepad to be a
bathroom.
bomb.
I
No!
think he, by that he just means he's taking a fat shit, but I'm not sure. Please be cautious when passing by the bathroom. Thank you.
Be careful going into the bathroom. Wampus, I am going to actually follow in Doan's footsteps. I'm gonna run to the back. I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Oh shit, you're actually giving me control of the plane?
Excuse me, where can I ask where you graduated from? I graduated from your mother's bedroom with a first-class degree in being sexy. Thank you.
Oh yeah, it sounds about right. Nah, dude, that 2 shots of Bacardi went straight through me. I had to piss so bad.
Oh, you're back? Okay, good.
Dude, those headphones right over there on this, they
Oh,
look
right.
exactly like the ones that you're wearing.
Well, of course. I always I give 110%, chef. You know. I'm in character. What can I say? You know, I'm a method actor.
I'm a method actor. I'm a meth actor.
I mean, yeah, just emphasis on the meth, really.
Yeah. The OD is silent. I'm a meth actor.
Well, the OG comes at the end of my career.
Oh man. You know what? If you gave me 4 seconds, I would have gotten there.
You know, at the end where Thanos is like, "Holy shit, my stones disappeared," and then cuts to a scene from Breaking Bad, where a guy is just
Yeah.
snorting like crushed up and finished.
It's Tuco, yeah. Dude, yeah. My
tight, you know.
the, tight. I love Tuco. All right, you guys made me self-conscious about the Minecraft overworld. We're going back to the
Yeah.
real world.
Mhm.
Which you guys are so fucking stupid because you idiots We've been flying sideways the whole time. You idiots! We've been flying sideways the whole time. I pull back the curtain. I pull back. I do that really dramatic thing where like I sweep all this stuff off my desk. I'm like, you idiots! This one is also, the real life one is also going sideways. It's all sideways. I'm actually drifting the plane. I pulled the handbrake. And we're drifting the plane. We're gonna be reacting. Hey guys, koijesus here. Today we're gonna be reacting to this guy playing some Plants vs. Zombies. So, I don't normally do react content on here, but you know, just for you guys, just for this once, let's go ahead and hop right on into it. Hey guys, koijesus here. Today we're gonna be playing some Plants vs. Zombies. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're actually going to go in our Zen. See, this is where this guy's wrong. Yeah, you actually don't want to do the Zen garden first thing, because then any plants that you do find later will be actually behind in their growth. You know, it's common sense, really. And, just going to flower some things. I shouldn't take. He also messed up. He said he's gonna flower some things. He actually meant water some things. It's a really simple English mess up that a lot of people get. Just get this out of the way real quick. Now, you know, it's like, it's really funny. You know, growing up, I used to say Plants vs. Zombies, more like Plants vs. a bunch of bitches. That's hilarious. This guy has a point. That's hilarious. Because, you know, the zombies are stupid bitches, and they are even that tough. A whole bunch of plants can take care of them, so, like, that's what I'm saying. You know, if your ficus tree is knocking down zombies, you know, you gotta be a little bit weak. I've been saying that. You hear that? I do hear that. It sounds like a fucking plane. It does sound like a fucking plane. You see that? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, it's a fucking plane. Anyway, yeah, we're back with Plants vs. Holy bitches. Shit. Yeah, Plants vs. Bitches. Hey, Captain, can I ask why the landing gear is down? No wonder it's taking... No, you can't ask that. You actually can't ask that. That's not allowed. So, I'm down to give you guys a free one. Let's go meet someone else who is in the seats. So obviously we have our group of friends, and Thistle asked specifically to have this picture taken of her and sit next to Jake the dog. Let's go meet one of our other, I almost said patients. I work in a medical facility. Let's go meet one of our other customers. It's Masahiro Sakurai, the director of Super Smash Brothers.
Another celebrity appearance, Masahiro Sakurai, is on the plane. Wait, what's it called? HAL Laboratory, isn't it? Wait, is it? I don't know.
HAL Laboratory.
No, Sora Limited. Wait, is it?
It's both. It's both, probably.
We are not going backwards. Repeat, we are not going backwards. Do not look out the window.
Yeah, it's never been going backwards.
Backwards posters. Do not respond to backwards propaganda. Thank you.
What do you mean, how the fuck could he afford a ticket? It's Masahiro fucking Sakurai. Poor indie creator.
Actually looks like he could be a pilot, not an airline pilot, but definitely a sketchy airline pilot with questionable credentials. You're right, mate. Yeah, you want to take a quick flight? Yeah.
I mean, the helicopter's kind of falling apart, but like, you know, who isn't
it's
nowadays?
One blade on the rotor, but it's not really. It still flies, yeah.
It still flies.
Upstairs. It's upstairs in the back right room. You got it.
Just grabbing my phone. Man, I'm getting dizzy. Oh, Bone.
My brother in Christ, you made the airplane stream.
My brother in Christ, you bought the ticket. When it's just...
You bought the ticket to the airplane stream.
Ladies and gentlemen, do not use the internet, phone signals, or psychic powers during the flight as an Thank you.
You know, that's gonna be a thing in the future. That at some point in the future, whenever humans like figure out some weird scientific bullshit to read each other, don't use psychic powers on the plane, please. It interferes with our shit.
Nanomachines during the flight, you know.
Yeah, please no multiplying nanomachines on the flight. I love the Dreamer why it's so funny. Have you seen that video of that face, but it's someone voicing over? It's like, no, I'm just a tiny little goblin. No.
Oh, I'm just a small little goblin. No.
Have you seen that?
I don't think so.
It's like, oh, I'm just a level 1 goblin. I don't even have any good loot. No, please don't hit me with your big sword. Oh no. I don't know why they put me in charge of this dungeon. I'm just a level 1 little goblin now.
Oh god.
Platypus?
Wait, what about platypus?
Perry the platypus? Who the fuck let him on? We're flying sideways. The landing gear is down. The PFD and PA are broken. We're fucked. Better start throwing a shit ton of money at that charity.
Maybe the real charity event was the friends we made inside our hearts along the way in Ukraine, in Los Angeles.
Maybe the real airplane stream was the friends. Was the friends we made along the way. Ladies and gentlemen, we got about 5 minutes before we start our descent.
Do we have enough fuel to like a proper landing?
No, we don't. Oh shit! The plane's going down! Oh my god! Ah!
Ladies and gentlemen, you may be experiencing just a slight bit of giddiness. No wonder it.
Guys, I don't think.
There is no need to panic.
Holy shit! Holy shit!
I mean, we're gonna die, aren't we? Like, there's no way out of this.
Oh yeah, totally. We're gonna die.
Yeah, there's no, but we are not going to
it's
die.
like, yeah, no, we're totally gonna die. I really, really hope that you guys enjoyed the airplane stream. I do want to go ahead and pull back the credits on, or pull back the curtains on a whole bunch of stuff that I had planned. So I'll run through and I'll show you all the different people that we had on the plane that we sadly didn't raise enough money to see, but that was the bad ending. So of course we had Perry the Platypus. We had Steve from Minecraft. We had the Yellow Among Us guy. We had Heather Boyd Comics. We had Zhang Ling from Genshin Impact. We had Big Yoshi. We had Shadow the Hedgehog. We had a whole bunch of Yoshis, and And we have my friend Billy. Anyway, you guys got Yoshi? Anyway, I really do hope that you guys enjoyed the stream. I'm gonna go ahead and roll the good landing credits, and everyone, thank you for thank you for flying Koi Airlines. This was all a dream. Have a good night.
Hello everyone, we'd like to welcome you to Los Angeles, and for the next few minutes our aircraft will taxi to the terminal. For your own safety, continue to remain seated, keep your seatbelt securely fastened, personal carry-on safely stowed. When the aircraft has made a final stop, the captain will turn off the fasten seatbelt signs, and at that time, check about your seats in the floor areas, your seat pockets, and the overheads for all personal belongings. Please use caution when you open the overheads, take your things out. Articles do tend to shift a bit within the compartment. Please watch your step when you leave us today. Step from the aircraft onto the jetways, normally quite a large step down. Refrain from smoking until you exit the terminal. Claiming back today, proceed down to the street level. The Hawaiian Airlines baggage carousel will be number 3. If you door checked a car seat or stroller, any assisted walking equipment, these items will be returned to the jetway for you. Please give us 5 to 10 minutes to return your items, and if you're in need of wheelchair assistance, continue to remain comfortably seated. After we have most passengers off the aircraft and we have confirmed the arrival of your chairs, we will assist you to the door and onto your wheelchair. At this time, we stop momentarily, and we are off the runway, so you are free to now to use your cell phones again. On behalf of Hawaiian Airlines, our co-chair partners at Korean Air and JetBlue, I'd like to thank everyone for flying with us today. It's been our sincere pleasure to serve you. I'd like to take this opportunity also to thank our Platinum and our Gold and our Pualani passengers for flying with us today. Finally, this particular gate that we are parking at is equipped with one single jetway. Everyone must Deplane the aircraft with the door located between rows 12 and 14. That will be the single exit. To avoid the congestion at the exit area, we would like to deplane rows 1 through 12 first, and then the main cabin. Mahalo and aloha.